In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Google Ads Partner Badge. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus what to expect after you've joined, so you can work toward earning the badge with confidence. First, open your browser and head to business.google.com. This is Google's hub for business tools, and from here you can reach the official partners page. If you prefer, you can search for Google Partners, become a partner, and look for the Google support link. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages your advertising clients or your agency's manager account. Using the correct login helps Google connect your participation to the right profile and ensures your progress is tracked accurately. Once you're on the partners information page, look for the option that says Join Google Partners and click it. This button takes you into the enrollment flow. You'll see an overview of the program and a summary of how the badge works. Take a moment to review the terms and confirm that your business details are up to date. If your company information in Google Ads or your business profile needs a tweak, this is a good time to check it. Keeping everything consistent helps avoid delays later when your status is evaluated. After you've joined, you'll get access to a partner section where you can monitor your standing. This is where you'll see how you're tracking toward the badge. The badge itself isn't granted just for joining. It's awarded when your account meets Google's eligibility benchmarks. Typically, that includes maintaining strong performance for your clients, meeting a minimum ad spend across your managed accounts, and having team members certified in Google Ads. Think of joining as turning on the scoreboard. It lets you see exactly where you stand and what actions will have the biggest impact. A few tips as you move forward: check the partners view in your Google Ads account periodically to watch your progress update. Keep your account structure clean, follow best practices recommended by Google, and make sure the right team members complete their certifications under the company profile that's linked to your manager account. If you recently made improvements, give it a little time. Status updates aren't always instant. That's it. Go to business.google.com, click Join Google Partners, and you're officially enrolled. From there, focus on quality campaign management, verified credentials, and consistent spend to qualify for the badge. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your path to becoming a Google Ads partner.